The cost of transporting water to space is very high. $10,000 per pound, and the further you travel, the higher the cost. In addition to potable water requirements, the crew needs water for personal hygiene as well as for routine activities on the International Space Station. But bacteria and biofilm can grow and accumulate over time, especially in moist areas. Presently, the ISS uses iodine for microbial control. And so we wanted to develop a technology that would require low up mass, low power, and minimal to no consumables, as well as no chemicals.
We developed a high-frequency microwave system that killed bacteria in water systems. What I mean by high frequency is we had a 30 gigahertz system, low power, about 10 watts.
And it heats and kills the bacteria.
It killed the bacteria without heating the water. It turns out that the bacteria will absorb this energy, and when it absorbs it, it heats up the bacteria and kills it. The system radiates 10 watts at 30 gigahertz. We have a cable that comes out to an antenna. Put the antenna up against the water system. We do not need to penetrate the water system. We just externally radiate, and as the water flows by under our antenna, it radiates energy out and kills the bacteria.
We irradiated the biofilm in a static water system to see the percentage of kill we would get in a 90-second exposure. We were able to demonstrate that we got approximately 92% kill. We circulated the water and were able to show at least a 94% kill. The microwave system could be used anywhere in isolated areas across the globe where there is very little water. A potential portable microwave system for decontamination could be valuable.
This NASA technology and many others are ready to be transferred to your business. Find out more by visiting technology.nasa.gov.